Hello and welcome back to Brittany Allen Crafts. I have a $6 ladder for you guys today. I got all of the supplies at Walmart. I bought it a long time ago and I'm finally getting to make it for you guys. Right here I'm just putting together the dowel so I can decide how long I want it to be, and I decided I wanted it to be 5 feet. So all I did was cut off a foot from two different 1/2 inch dowels, and those are the ones that have the white on the end of them. I lost the footage of me cutting those and gluing them together. I'm so sorry, but here they are glued together. I did use E6000, so now I'm just going to sand them so that I will be able to stain them and it'll hold the stain a lot better. And I actually sculpted the end to be like this so that it wouldn't look so much like a dowel on my wall. So now I'm measuring my 5/8 dowels, and I'm measuring them at 11 inches to cut them down with my little saw. And this will leave you a little left over from each dowel, but I only had to use 2 dowels on the 5/8 instead of 3 5/8 dowels. So this will save you $1. Alright, so now I'm just going to stain them with this antique wax by Waverly, and I'll stain the steps, which is the 5/8 dowels, and the 1/2 inch dowels. And then we will be back. You guys, if you haven't already, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you follow me on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up, share on all your social medias, and I love, love, love hearing from you guys in the comments. So let me know how you feel or what you think about this ladder. Do you like it? And then tell me at the end, do you like the way I decorated it? I didn't have much to decorate it with, but I think it turned out pretty great. So now I'm just using some E6000, and I'm going to glue this 5/8 dowel to the 2 1/2 inch dowels that I had glued together. And I want this step to be right in the middle of where I glued the bigger dowels together so that it will be able to hold those together better. So I already had some cable ties chained together, and now I'm just attaching those to the ladder because I had tried to do this ladder once before with wood glue and it did not work. So E6000 is the way to go, you guys. Alright, so right here I'm showing you how I was able to get the legs so straight and even. And now I'm just showing you how many chains I put on and where I put them. I actually ended up adding one more chain right here to this end. And now I'm just going to put something underneath where I'm going to glue so it doesn't get on the carpet. And I'm going to use my ruler to make sure I did these at 11 inches, or no, 9.5 inches apart each step. Alright, so now I'm just going to add some E6000 if I could talk. And I did it all the way around the end, not just on the tip. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll add more to the glue once that glue that I just put on there dries. I'm going to use my right angle or my square to make sure that the steps are straight. And right here I'm just showing you I added even more E6000 after that had dried. And right here I'm just scooting the chain down so that it will hold the 2 dowels closer together, and this will make the glue able to stick better. And test it one more time with your right angle or square. Oh my goodness. Alright, so now I'm just cleaning that glue up a little bit and tightening my chain. And right here I had flipped it over, and I'm actually adding more glue to each step on the other side. And this thing was like an ox. It was so strong. So now I'm just cutting the chains off, and I'm actually going to save these chains except for the pieces that I cut, obviously, for a next project if there is one that I need them for. You never know. So I'm going to cut those off and we'll be back. Alright, to give this ladder a little bit more strength, I'm going to add some jute onto each place where the step meets the dowel, and I'm just going to wrap it around just like this, making sure to get it onto the step so that it will hold a little bit better. I don't really think it needed it, but just in case, and I think it looks really, really cute as like an accent to the ladder. I was actually thinking about painting the bottom of this ladder white, and I might end up doing that. Would you guys want to see that if I did, how it turns out? At least some pictures. So I'm just going to add the jute to all of the steps. Let me know if you want to see some pictures of it if I do paint it white at the bottom. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish wrapping all these steps with some jute, and then we'll be back. So this is how it turned out. I just added one of those buckets from Dollar Tree with the handle on it and some lamb's ear, a couple pictures from Dollar Tree, and a couple candles that look like milk. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Share with friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.